Hi, my name is Jamie Seacrest, and I'm going to be doing personal introductions for EDL 853, Module 1. A little bit about myself. I have two sons. My oldest son, Tyler, he is 21. My son, Caden, he is 15. And we live in a small town outside of Garnett, Kansas called Scipio. I also put a picture of my dog, Brody. He likes to think he's a house dog, but really he's an outside dog. But anytime he gets the chance, he runs inside and just jumps in the chair like, hey, just ignore me. I've been here watching TV all day. We like spending time outside. As you see, me and my son, Caden, we ran a marathon together. I usually take my class up there and we run the Munchkin Marathon, and my sons usually do that with me, and they help me take my class up there with me. A little bit about my personal experience. This is my 19th year teaching. I spent 2 years teaching 5th and 6th grade, a combination class at Holy Angels Catholic School in Garnett, Kansas. I did 3 years teaching middle school, ELA, and science in a small town, Williamsburg. Then I spent 8 years teaching, excuse me, 5th grade in Paola, Kansas. And the last 6 years I've been teaching a 5th and 6th grade combination class in Greeley, Kansas at Greeley Elementary. Part of my duties that I have is I am part of the building leadership team, making some of the decisions for our school. I'm also part of the district leadership team, which helps with the district deciding on different aspects and stuff for our schools. Part of the textbook adoption committee. I have been pleasured to be part of the mentoring with the Greenbush mentoring program, and I was nominated Teacher of the Year in 2019, which was an excellent opportunity for me, and I've met a lot of great people and some great friends are still today. So concepts that we looked at is inclusive culture, who are the advocates, what plans and strategies can be implemented, and what steps can a school leader take to change negative assumptions? Well, first, building an inclusive culture. Well, what is inclusive? Inclusive learning recommends schools provide academic support service to ensure all students have the opportunity to thrive. They can do this by academic support, having flexible pacing, tutoring, extra support, preparing teachers, highly training your teachers on how to teach with inclusive learning. Curriculum, teachers prepare the students, make sure that the students are learning stuff not just what's connected to the world, but with other concepts. Integrate student bodies, adjust ranking calculations, create a respectful school community, and create a space for discussion. So, as a school leader, some of the roles, this is important that the school leader makes sure that everyone feels that they are part of the team. Everyone needs to feel that they have a part of the plan. If people do not feel that they are part of the inclusive team, then the school leader will need to find out why and fix it by doing either some training, some mentoring, trying to figure out what kind of things that they could help to make the situation better. So advocates. Create a community to focus on school culture as your main priority. Brainstorm ways that can help you create more accepting school systems. Have well thought out goals, making sure that you don't have too many goals to be focusing on and that everyone is kind of in agreement. Then collaborate with a team to establish one goal and then make an action plan for that goal so everyone knows what is expected of them. And then make sure that everyone involved understands and follows the goals and action plan that the committee has created. So what plans and strategies can be implemented? Well, each student can and will learn and succeed. I like the quote that someone had once said that we all teach a child and that child's name is all children. I think that is a great concept because I do believe that all students can learn and will succeed. Diversity enriches us all. Students at risk can overcome the risk for failure through involvement in a thoughtful and caring community of learners. Each student has unique contributions to offer to other learners. Each student has strengths and needs. Services and supports should not be regulated to one setting. And effective learning excuse me, results from the collaborative efforts of everyone working to ensure each student's success. I totally agree with these plans and strategies, because not one size fits all. As you know, as a teacher, we are always thinking of different ways to meet all of our different students in the way that they learn, and we learn so much from them every year. What steps can a school leader take to change negative assumptions? Well, talk to the stakeholders and staff involved. Figure out why they are having these negative assumptions on what is happening. Take surveys, see what things need to be addressed. Find out why things are not working. And trainings and modeling. If you are not modeling what you expect, then your staff is not going to follow. So I feel that it's, if you want to change something negative, you need to switch it with a positive. So you need to be able to contribute what your main thoughts are and how you feel that they need to be changed. Here are my references. Looking forward to working with you guys this semester. Thanks.